Hi students, welcome to science class. Today I am going to explain the chapter Synthetic Fibers and Plastics for class 8. In this chapter we are discussed about fibers and the types of fibers like natural and synthetic fibers and the types of synthetic fibers and what are plastics and their types. Then what are fibers? These fibers are very thin thread-like strands from which fabrics or cloth is made. Then, what are yarn? A fabric is made up of fine threads called yarns. Then, what are fabrics? A fabric is any material of cloth that we use that are called fabrics. Example cotton, jute, wool, silk, polyester, etc. Therefore, we can say that fabric is made of yarn and yarn is in turn made of fibers. I hope you got a clear picture on fibers, yarn and fabrics. Fibers is nothing but a very thin thread-like strands from which fabrics or cloth is made. Look at the first figure, that are fibers. Next is yarn. Yarns are a fabric is made up of a fine threads. So second picture is yarn and the last is a fabric. Fabric is made from yarns. And these fabric is any materials of a cloth that we use. Fibers can be divided into two types, that is natural fiber and synthetic fibers. Natural means these types of fibers are extracted from natural sources. Either it may be a plants or animals. Examples for this wool, silk, jute, etc. These are the examples for natural fibers. Next type is synthetic fibers. These fibers that are formulated artificially by human beings are termed as synthetic fibers. Means these fibers cannot extract it from a natural resources. We just prepare these type of fibers that are called synthetic fibers. Examples for this nylon, polyesters, rayon like that. Next is classification of synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers can be divided into four types that are rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic. Then polyester can be divided into two types, that is terylene and PET. Nothing but a PET. This synthetic fiber is formulated by joining together a chain of small units that are actually chemical substance to form a large units called polymer. The term polymer is derived from two Greek words, poly meaning many and mer meaning units. Therefore, polymers refers to combination of a repeating units called polymer. First synthetic fiber is rayon. Is formulated from a natural resources like a wood pulp. Means this rayon fiber was extracted from wood pulp, but still it is regarded as a synthetic or man-made fiber having characteristics similar to silk. And this rayon is cheaper than silk and this also termed as a artificial silk, and it can be easily woven down like a natural silk and can be dyed in a diverse vibrant colors. Means this rayon can be dyed in diverse means variety of colors, and it is a good moisture absorbent and comfortable to wear. It is very soft to skin with resistant dry strength, and it does not possess the property of resiliency, due to which they are easily prone to get wrinkles. For example, rayon is accompanied with cotton and it is used to make a bed sheets, and it is also used to make a shirts, sarees, etc. Understand? This rayon also termed as a artificial silk and it is cheaper than silk and it is very good. Entirely synthetic fiber, that is nylon. In 1931, this fiber was formulated from coal, water, and air for the first time. It refers to a clan of polymers called linear polyamides. It is an elastic, light-weighted, and strong fiber with the characteristics of being very lustrous. Means these nylons are very shining. Sometimes they are semi-lustrous or even dull also. This is a high tenacity fiber with a good elasticity, and it is very easy to wash. Means the dust or dirty that was not sustained for a longer time on nylon. So it is very easy to wash those dirts. This fibers finds use in a variety of purposes. For instance, in making ropes, seat belts, toothbrushes, sleeping bags, tents, etc. Is clear? So nylon is one of the first entirely synthetic fiber, and it refers to a clan of polymers called a linear polyamides, and it is an elastic, light-weighted, and a strong fiber, and it is very lustrous, and they have a good elasticity, and it is very easy to wash. Understand, students? In this topic, we have discussed about fibers, yarn, fabric, and types of fibers, that are natural and synthetic fibers. And we have discussed about the synthetic fibers like rayon and nylon. Thank you all.